Hey guys, how are you doing? In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make this simple Zara cap design, okay? So first thing you should do is to get your ashoke fabric and you create this Zara cap base. It's already on my channel. Please go and look for this particular video on my channel. It will give you guide on how to achieve the Zara cap base. So next thing I'll be doing now is to cover up this boning wire. This is the non-sewable boning wire, alright? So I'll be using a shiny bias, half-inch shiny bias to cover it up. So the length of the boning wire I'm using here is 15 inches. So you can make yours to be 60 or more than that. It depends on the kind of loop you want to get, okay? So next thing I'll be doing now is to cover it and form the circle the way you're seeing it. There is no particular trick here. I just wrapped this boning wire, then use shiny bias to cover it up. So after doing this, you can get any design of your choice. Remember, I always say this, it's all about creativity. It's not a must you get the exact thing I did here. I teach you and it can serve as a guide to get your own unique headwear design. Alright, so after doing everything down, I still use my needle and thread to tack it so it will be very firm the way you are seeing on your screen, okay? So once I'm done wrapping the whole thing, I'll cut out the thread and this is the design. Hope you can see it. Alright, so next thing I'll be doing now is to form the bow design at the back, and this fabric measures 24 inches length into two pieces. 24 inches length. I just hemmed the edges, then I'll be folding it the way you are seeing this, okay? You can use your US shoe gum here in place of candle gum. If you have your US shoe gum, the way I'm rubbing candle gum here, you can still use it. Alright, so after locating the center of the fabric and gumming down the edges, I'll plait it down just to form my bow design. Guys, it's not a must you form these bow designs. You can check up my channel. You will see different designs which you can attach at the back of your Zara cap. But as I said earlier on, this design is just a quick, simple Zara cap design which you can use to fetch money this season period. I don't know if you understand me. Alright, so I'll be folding it in this way, and same thing I'll be doing here, I'll be doing it on this fabric. So after doing that, I'll place the other one on top of the further place on top of each other the way you see are seen on the screen. Then I will fold down. Remember, what I'm trying to do here is to get a bow design which I'll be attaching to the back of this Zara cap design. Alright, so I'll just do some adjustments, and once I'm done doing that, I'll be using my needle and thread to hold it down. Please guys, if you have reached this level, kindly like this video. Support your girl by liking this video, please. If you also have any question, don't hesitate to drop it on the comment section. I'll be there to respond to all your questions. So next thing I'll be doing now is to attach that loop design to this bow the way you are seeing it. So first of all, I use the candle gum to rub at both edges, then I glue it down. This piece measures 4 inches. This particular piece you are seeing here, I had to cut it out from the ashoke you are seeing. So guys, I got half ashoke, as in 4 lines of ashoke, but after working it still remains so many. So for those that will be asking the measurement of the ashoke I used, I bought half pack of ashoke. Then after working, it still remained though. I didn't consume all. So this design is quite easy. So you can see what I'm doing now. I will use this loop to hold it down, but I'll cut out the excess part of the loop so it will cover this part very neat, okay? So I'll be using my candle gum. I'll rub it down the way you're seeing it. So with the help of this candle gum, you can also use your US gum, but I prefer using candle gum here because it will glue down faster. Or use a needle and thread to tack it the way you want. So after gumming everything, this is the outcome. You can see it. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to attach this to the back of this Zara cap. Remember I said this is a simple, classy and unique Zara cap design. So use a needle and thread to tack here. Please don't glue down, no. I don't use a candle gum to glue. Just use your needle and thread to tack. And after tacking, this is the outcome of mine. I won't be leaving it plain like this, okay? I just love my headgears to be unique and outspoken. So next thing I'll be doing now is to use beads and this applique to just add or boost the beauty of this Zara cap. So glue it down with your candle gum like this. Then after doing that, you use your stones or anything just to beautify it more. Guys, please, if I reach this level and this video is helpful to you, don't forget to like this video. Also drop a good comment on the comment section. I pray that you get good contract this season that will put smile on your face. Thanks for staying up to this time. See you guys in my next video. Bye.